morning, friends. As humans, we are always drawn to nature just because of its beauty and magnitude. Many travel long distances to find challenging trails without knowing that Delhi NCR is blessed with the oldest range of fold mountains called Aravalli. These rocky mountains, which extend for nearly 560 km towards Rajasthan, also have the highest mountains like the Guru Peak on Mount Abu, touching almost 5,650 feet. To explore such mountain ranges, one has to have the right type of motorcycle, navigational equipment, and most essentially, the desired riding skills. One such passionate rider from Belgium who has been exploring Aravalli for a long period is Philip, and his experience was put to best use when KTM India organized an adventure trail on 28 February 2021. A group of 11 riders was led by Captain Jaipreet Joshi, who is a well-known off-road rider from Gurgaon.
Marketing department, she's from sales. So for this ride, we have invited Jaipreet Joshi, known as Captain Joe in the circle, as the lead rider.
Right. So we are not going to be racing on the roads because that's not the intent. The intent of this whole event is twofold. One is to get used to your machine, to know along with certain technicalities, and other than that, any issue you have, anything which you found beyond comprehension or you want to use it, that's we're going to explore on the trail more. There are certain technicalities of the machine which we'll try and understand, like quick shifting, the MTC, the cornering, the ABS engagement, disengagement, and all those things we're going to see as to how the machine performs. Okay, so it'll be more of fun while we learn. All right.
perfectly explored trail. Route started from KTM Gurgaon, passing through Manga village in Haryana, and over to fast summer sprint before entering many beautiful trails towards Sona. The trails comprise of fast sections, dirt, gravel, jungle, sand, and few rocky patches.
If you even, especially when you're going uphill, या आप boulders या rocks पे जा रहे हो, you cannot afford to press clutch and then, because at some point in time you will have to throttle down and then press the clutch. So quick shifter का वही purpose होता है. When you are at a certain speed, you go tuck 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 tuck. The only thing to remember is don't go beyond 4 RPM, otherwise it will be taxing on your engine. ठीक है? And my suggestion to all of you is learn to use one finger only on the clutch. Without using the clutch. आदत बनानी पड़ेगी तो हाथ मसल मेमोरी ना देगी क्लच दबाने के लिए. Okay? So we start with hook. Yeah. So one round you go standing, and when you come back you do your shifting. All right. Quick shifting, and then try and stand and stop here. वहाँ जाके आप stop करना last में, so that the next person goes. All right. I will not press the clutch. Okay. This is the initial first gear. After that.
No doubt, riding on such trails is quite demanding, but it is the hardship that brings a smile hidden with a sense of bigger achievements. Trails passing through green jungles have their charm, as we all are deeply rooted in the elements of the earth. The farming fields and plantation fills every part of the lungs, apart from giving the greatest sense of food, which is the most wonderful magic played by the soil. Deep soil or the dirt may be dirty, but trains you well to handle wheel spins and the front end slides.
Techniques, not from the books, but from what I have really experienced and what I have seen. how you should ride in which sand. Firstly,
सर थोड़ा पहले बताया तो मैं तो गिर गया पीछे
तभी मैंने देखा, तभी मैंने सोचा बताता हूँ. So never throttle out is one thing. Okay, आपने जैसे ही throttle छोड़ दिया ना, you have to keep the throttle pinned at whatever speed you are comfortable. Okay, the moment you this is the time to use quick shifter. अगर आप क्विक शिफ्टर यूज नहीं करते, आपने जैसे ही क्लच दबाया आपका थोड़ा सा एक्सेलरेशन कम होगा, द फ्रंट विल डिग इन. ओके, सो दैट्स वन थिंग. सेकंड थिंग इज don't hold the handle too hard, just be relaxed and shift your butt on the rear wheel. The traction has to pass on to the rear now rather than the front should just follow where the rear takes you. Okay, the traction is in the rear, so you have to shift your body weight behind. Even when you are standing, you have to shift your weight again foot peg. Take in the foot peg और थोड़ा सा weight को पीछे रखो. जो rally riders हैं, जो when they are riding race, especially on machines like this, what they do is they go very far behind. So it will give you a very good traction. You will bike ऐसे होगी, वो सबकी होती है. It will snake, but that is part of the sand riding. Okay, that will happen. But as long as you try and hold it hard, it will fall. Okay. So now is the time that when you have to realize the capability of this machine, that put it into the MTC off mode and then see how beautifully it goes. Okay, and play around with the ergonomics. Just shift behind और आप handle को नहीं छूओ. Very good, keep going, very good job. ठीक है, जा रहे हो? या गुड.
Gravel, depending on the size of stones, can cause wheel slides on the turn and while braking. Certainly, the type of rubber compound and the pattern matters a lot if wish to get the right grip. Lowering tire pressure can help, but one has to watch out for sharp stones. The sudden application of brakes and harsh throttle inputs must be avoided unless experienced. Riding and avoiding rocks while preventing damage to tires requires very precise steering inputs and throttle control, which can be highly rewarding. Surprises mean the adventure, and on many trails, bushes can't be avoided. However, they keep you alert and engaged. And that is why wearing eye protection or helmet with a peak is most essential. Riding on trails keeps you engaged every moment, unlike a road ride. Maybe just a 5-hour trail ride can be much more fulfilling than a whole day long road ride. During the toughest and tricky situations, remaining calm and gentle on controls builds a very stable mindset, which is also required in daily routine life. The challenges of trails also bring in the feeling of brotherhood or the team spirit to complete an assigned task as a group. A trail, like life, is not about the destination, but the experience of the journey, which makes our life turn by turn and rock by rock. the joint baby step from the Bajaj Auto and KTM to produce KTM 390 Adventure in India has produced an entirely new segment of adventure riders that fits well both the young and the old. Jai Hind and ride safe.